Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. This is general love reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung makakarelate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na makakarelate para sa'yo. So, again, this is for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. And by the way, meron na rin siyang YouTube. Feel free to check her out. Jing Tarot Reader. At saka yung aking isang friend, guys, Pisces Palmist. Kung interesado kang matutunan yung palmistry. So, feel free to check them out na lang sa YouTube. Okay? So, let's start. This is for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Fire sign. You do have here the Two of Cups and the Palace of Wands. Ace of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. For those of you who are single, nakakita tayo ng potential relationship, new relationship for you. Medyo magiging maganda to. There's a lot of passion with the Palace of Wands. Okay? Kaya lang of course, itong relationship na to, nakakita tayo ng mga bagay na mga itinatago or hindi pa nalalaman, hindi pa naipapakita, which is possible mga kaugalian na pwedeng ikakagulat mo na lang na may ugali pala siyang ganito, ganyan. But it's okay. It's part of, it's part of knowing someone. And may process naman talaga yun pag sa pakikipagrelasyon. And the more na mas tinatanggap mo yung dito sa taong to, the more na mas na re-realize mo na okay, mas nag-workout, mas tumatagal, mas minamahal. Okay? Ganun lang yun. And for some of you who are already in a relationship, nakikita natin yung main energy ninyo na parang there's commitment May love at commitment dito sa relasyon nito. And nakikita natin na parang someone here is being manhid nga lang sa relasyon. But etong relationship ninyo, parang hindi nyo hinahayaan na may something na gumambala sa inyo. Okay? Or rather, maaaring kung nasa isang relasyon ka, someone here is being protective. And then yung isa parang nagiging manhid in a way na parang wala siyang pakialam sa nagiging emosyon ng isa. Na nasasaktan na ako, nagsiselos na ako, pero ginagawa niya pa rin yun. Although may pagmamahal, may commitment, pero may pagsiselos na sabihin na natin hindi naman dapat pagsilosan, pero para sa taong to, kasilos-selos siya. So, ganun. And tell me about this person. Alamin natin yung sa side ng person mo. Ito, take only what resonates. Pwedeng konti lang ang makaka-relate dito. Pwedeng konti lang ang makaka-relate dito. Tell me about this person. You do have the Ten of Swords, Three of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Wands. Now, kuha tayo ng situation between the two of you. Okay, you do have your unconditional. Bottom of the deck, crickets is here. Silence, non-action. Okay. This is another person. Hindi ito yung person na tinutukoy ko dito sa relationship or connection na meron ka ngayon. Pagdating sa love. This is a different person. Pwedeng nagkakaroon ng ending sa inyo na itong taong to. But, or something ended. Pero nakikita natin pwedeng may communication pa yung iba. Hindi lahat, pero meron pa rin communication. And maaaring ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit itong sa energy mo dito ay may nagseselos, which is yung commitment na meron ka sa iba. Itong other person, sabihin na natin yung other person na kasama mo, nagsiselo siya dito sa person na ito, which is nagkaroon na ng ending sa inyo. There's communication pero hindi ganun kaganda. Nakakita tayo ng silent treatment. So, pwedeng may mga messages na hindi nasasagot, na hindi nare-replyan. And with the magician, this person is nag-focus sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang focusing on money para magkaroon ng maraming pera dito in the future para maging masaya. Gusto niya ng growth. Gusto niya ng growth. Well, pagdating sa inyo, pwedeng nagkaroon ng ending pero nag-focus na lang siya sa money. You know what I mean? And at the bottom of the deck, yeah, you do have your unconditional, genuine, certain love for each other. So, may pagmamahalan sa inyo ng taong ito. And tuloy-tuloy with the waves. Kumbaga katulad ng isang alon, hindi nawawala. Pwedeng humihina, pwedeng lumalakas yung pagmamahalan sa inyo na nararamdaman ninyo, pero hindi siya completely nawawala. Okay? Sa ngayon, medyo kalmado. Pwedeng, kasi ang focus mo is regarding the new person or regarding the person na kakonect mo sa ngayon pagdating sa relasyon. And you do have your love affair. So, nagkakaroon ng another person, which is ito nga. And, medyo hindi nakakatulong itong other person na ito sa kung ano yung relationship na meron ka ngayon. So, what is the emotions between the two of you? Ano yung emotion para sa isa't isa? Ano mga dapat naming malaman? For the sign of fire sign. Five of Swords. Eight of Coins. Tell me more. One more card, please. Someone here, hindi ko to kukunin, but just an additional message. Very challenging. Pwedeng nagkakaroon ng problem regarding money. Nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, or a problem regarding money. This is very challenging for you. With the Nine of Coins, nararamdaman ko reversal energy. So, it's like a problem na parang may nawala or may natapos sa'yo. And now, nagkakos yun ng problem for you. Financial problem specifically. So, yeah, especially with the Ace of Swords, masyadong ito yung nasa isip mo ngayon. Regarding sa emotion mo dito sa taong to, if this is an ex, you feel like kompleto ka naman na, wala ka nang pakialam kay ex, ganun. Andun pa rin yung love, pero, you know, mas focusing ka na sa sarili mo ngayon. And if this is a past person, na wala naman naging relationship, just a past person, up to now, nakikita natin, iniisip mo siya sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. So, maybe even though you're busy, dumadating pa rin yung point na naaalala mo tong taong to. So, you still love this person, but mas nakafocus ka ngayon sa reality, sa nasa harapan mo ngayon. And kumbaga tuloy lang ang ikot ng mundo, hindi man ibig sabihin na natapos yung connection nyo, wala na, diba? Kailangan mo pa rin mag-focus sa kung ano yung mga darating pa sa'yo. So, for your person, ano emotions niya for you? The Seven of Wands, the Three of Swords, and the Six of Swords. So, umiiwas siya dahil may kakonek ka na ngayon eh. So, umiiwas na siya. Kasi, but I can see communication. Pero, ibig sabihin, pwedeng hindi naman communication at all, but rather, pwedeng na doon pa rin yung friends kayo sa social media. Kasi, still, gusto niya pa rin naman nandiyan ka lang. Alam mo yun, yung basta nandiyan ka lang. Pero, sabihin na natin yung third person or third party dito is nagdulot ng sakit or lungkot sa person nito. Pero parang wala siyang choice kundi mag-move on, kundi, okay, nasasaktan ako, pero kailangan kong mag-move on, kailangan ko umiwas. Kailangan kong tanggapin kung ano yung mga pinili mo. And then, what is the situation or emotion sa inyong dalawa between the two of you, mutual energy? Poison is here. This is, like I can see the apple. It's a very beautiful apple, by the way. There's love here, pero medyo toxic or medyo hindi pwede. It's like, this would cause a lot of trouble, a lot of problema sa inyo, especially kung may mga taong involved dito, like the family. Okay? So, sa ngayon, oo, mahal mo siya, mahal ka niya, but the problem is the other person or other people na involved sa connection nito. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? If this is an ex, could possibly be na kaya nagpo-focus ka na lang sa mga isipin mo is that ayaw mo na ng toxicity eh. Pwedeng yung, if you're dealing with an ex, pwedeng hindi mo na siya mahal, pero nandun yung may alaala ka pa rin dito sa taong to. What will happen in the future for the both of you? And if this is an ex, yung person na ito is nakamove on na rin. Especially mas madali siya nakamove on because of the third person na involved dito. Whichever side, kaysa side mo sa side niya. The Chariot is here, Tree of Life. Queen of Swords. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Empress. Okay, I see you loving yourself in the near future. Wala ka nang pakialam muna dito sa person na ito. You are moving out of the connection. You are moving away from this connection and mas nagfo-focus ka sa iyong sarili. With the Tree of Life, you know, parang wala rin naman sa kanya yung interest mo in the near future. Okay? This is you loving yourself. This is you focusing on the people around you na mas importante para sa'yo. And then, pagdating sa side ng person mo, the Five of Swords is here. Six of Pentacles and the Empress. So, pareho naman kayo. Pareho kayo ng person nito nang pinagfo-focusan. Mga kanya-kanya ninyo sarili. I can see someone here signing a contract. So, the Divine Feminine Obsession is here. So, mas nakikita natin na, yeah, mas nagfo-focus sa self-love ang ipinapakita dito. Okay? And, kasi nandun yung feeling na parang hindi mo na siya kailangan. And then vice versa. Nandun rin yung feeling niya na parang hindi na rin naman kita kailangan. So, itong connection nito, hindi na to masyadong nag-work out in the future. So, maybe this is the real end of your journey with this person. Tapos na, nag-end na. And tuloy-tuloy yung ending na yon. Kasi nagfo-focus na lang kayo sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong mga sarili dito. Okay? And this person in the future will be creating changes para sa mga toxicity or hindi maganda nangyayari sa kanya. Nakakita tayo dito ng mga ang tawag dito? Savings na pwedeng nawawala or either nawawala kasi pinuhunan or with the devil, pwedeng there's a contract here. I can see as a toxic person dito sa side ng person na ito. Very toxic, very manipulative person. And may kinalaman yan pwedeng sa kanilang work or business. But anyway, for you, it doesn't matter anymore. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.